Today, President Trump said, quote, "Despite what you hear in the press, health care is coming along great." Well, what you've heard in the press is that AARP and the American Medical Association are against the Republican replacement for Obamacare, and so are conservative Republican senators who say the House bill should be scrapped. We asked Dean Reynolds to find out what Mr. Trump's supporters think.
Jim Menosa's lawnmower and snowblower business in Racine has hit some hard times. The lack of snow this winter, for one thing, and Obamacare for another.
Well, it seems like we're working 7 days a week, and we don't have any more to show for it.
Though he has private health insurance for himself and his workers, Menosa says there's been a ripple effect to rising costs for Obamacare that has made his coverage more expensive, too.
We were just working to pay off the insurance, all it seems like. I mean, something has to change.
Trump supporters like Menosa said Obamacare is a mess. But at Frank's Diner down the road in Kenosha, Larry Rash was not confident a replacement will be an improvement.
But should it be replaced?
No, I think we should try to work within it and make changes to it. I don't think we have to necessarily replace it.
All right.
Everyone we spoke to felt congressional Republicans are running up against the reality that health care is complicated. Dick Gentz is an accountant.
From what it sounded like to me is they really couldn't pull a plug on it entirely.
At the counter, Glenn Wood said it's time for the Republicans to act.
When you run on one thing more than anything else and you have the power to change it, you better change it.
Woods and the other Trump supporters said the protracted health care tug of war has not lessened their regard for the president.
How do you think the president's doing?
Too early to tell, honestly. I mean, it's hard to turn around an aircraft carrier.
Is he headed in the right direction?
Yes.
In fact, the people we spoke to, Scott, seemed much more patient with President Trump than with their own Republican congressman, who happens to be the Speaker of the House, Paul Ryan.
Dean Reynolds, as we continue to listen to the people. Dean, thank you very much.